Hey guys, Harsh here and welcome back to Technolobe. Today I am very excited because we are talking about the Lenovo Yoga 7i Slim Carbon. It's a very long name, but this laptop is incredible and I have been wanting to test it out since the day it launched. So today in this video, let's talk in detail about the Lenovo Yoga 7i Slim Carbon, which comes with the latest 11th generation Intel Core i7 processor. The exact model number is 1165G7 and it's also based on the Intel Evo platform. Right off the bat, let's talk about the design and build quality. This laptop definitely stands out, especially with this white color. I absolutely love this white color and it is a matte finish. It's not a glossy finish, which means it won't attract a lot of fingerprints as well. It's white all around except for the bezels. The bezels are black and that's exactly how I like them. This black and white combination like a panda looks amazing over here and I'm a fan of it. Also, Lenovo has not cheaped out on the build quality. This laptop does not feel cheap at all. It feels like a premium laptop and it is a premium laptop. Now this is a very thin and lightweight laptop. It weighs in only at 966 grams and that is extremely lightweight. So you can easily carry this laptop around anywhere with you and it will give you some really good performance as well. Now while you're on the subject of performance, let's talk about what lies under the hood. So this laptop comes with the 11th generation Intel i7 processor. The exact model number is 1165G7. Along with that, it has the Intel Iris Xe graphics and this laptop is based on the Intel Evo platform. On the RAM side of things, it has 16GB of LPDDR4X RAM and along with that it has a 1TB M.2 SSD. Performance wise, this laptop is amazing. Now as I said, this laptop is based on the Intel Evo platform and that offers a lot of benefits. First of all, the system feels very responsive. The wake time is only 1 second and the entire system is very fast and smooth. You will not notice any lags whatsoever and that's the best part about it. Now I have divided performance into various parts. First up is productivity based applications. Now this is a thin and light laptop which is meant for productivity based applications. So if you do productivity based tasks like working on an Excel sheet or a Word document or a presentation or editing some photos here and there, then this laptop is excellent for you. It does not drop a sweat and the performance is awesome. As I said, it is a lag free experience. Now I would use this laptop as my secondary machine where I would use it to edit my thumbnails and upload my videos to YouTube as well. For that it worked absolutely fine and I did not notice any hiccups whatsoever. So for normal day-to-day applications, this laptop does not drop a sweat. But what about gaming? Now, if you're bored on a Sunday and want to play some games for a couple of hours, then you can definitely do so. We tried a bunch of games on this laptop and we were surprised by the results. First up, we tried Valorant and Valorant was giving us somewhere around 80 to 90 FPS on a constant basis. The gameplay was extremely smooth and we did not notice any hiccups whatsoever. It was a lag-free experience. The next game on the list is Rocket League. Rocket League is one of my favorite games out there. I love to play it and we were getting somewhere around 90 to 100 FPS on a constant basis. That is seriously impressive. The next game is Tekken. Tekken was giving us 60 FPS on a constant basis and again the performance of this game surprised us. Finally, we also played CSGO and here we were getting 50 to 60 FPS on a constant basis and that is just excellent. So as you saw, the gaming performance of this laptop is also very good. The 11th generation i7 processor along with the Iris Xe graphics is a great combination over here. The Iris Xe graphics give you dedicated level graphics performance on an integrated chip and that is just excellent. Now fun fact, my new intro for this channel, the logo intro that you saw in the beginning of this video, that was completely edited on this laptop itself. I used After Effects on this laptop and made that intro. So that's a very big deal. It's a 4K clip with a lot of animations and this laptop could handle it very easily. Now the Intel Evo platform also ensures that you get very good battery life and fast charging as well. With this laptop, I was getting 8+ hours of battery life on a constant basis for normal work. If I was doing some heavy work like video editing or gaming for a couple of hours, then I was getting somewhere around 5 hours of battery life. But for normal work, 8+ hours of battery life is easily achievable with this laptop. Not only that, you do get fast charging over here as well. Inside the box, you will get a 65 watt fast charger and if you charge it for 15 minutes, your laptop will work for 2 hours or something like that. That is impressive and fast charging is highly appreciated over here. So please make a note of that. Now one of the best things with this laptop is its display. It comes with a 13.3 inches 16:10 Quad HD display. That means 2560 by 1600, and it hits 100% on the sRGB space. The display panel on this laptop is next level. So if you consume any sort of media like movies on Netflix or videos on YouTube, or even while playing games, you will have an excellent experience with this display. I absolutely love it and no complaints over here. Now, this is not a touchscreen display, it's a normal display, and also this is a yoga laptop. It can lay flat at 180 degrees. It does not rotate all the way, it can lay flat at 180 degrees. Next up, let's talk about the keyboard and trackpad. This laptop comes with an excellent keyboard. The keys have a good amount of travel to them, they are clicky and they are backlit as well. So if you like to work in the dark, you are sorted over here because of the backlighting. As far as the trackpad goes, it's also of very good quality. No issues with the tracking and also finger gestures. If you want to use 2 fingers, 3 finger gestures, you can easily do that without any issues. The next point that comes in is I/O and connectivity. You get total of 3 USB-C ports. Out of them, 2 are Thunderbolt 4 ports, and Thunderbolt 4 is highly appreciated over here. Again, this is because of the Intel Evo platform. Thunderbolt 4 will enable you to attach a host of accessories to this laptop like external monitors, external SSDs, and you can take the full advantage of it. But please make a note that you will have to shift to the dongle life. If you want to use normal full-size USB ports or SD cards, then you will have to shift to the dongle life. It also comes with a 3.5mm audio jack. Now, one place where I was slightly disappointed with this laptop is with the speakers. The speakers are not that great. They're just okay-ish, not the best speakers out there. The volume level is okay and the sound quality is okay as well. I wish that this laptop had better speakers. Also, the speakers are downward firing. If they would have been upward firing, then that would have been the best scenario. Now, what about the webcam? The webcam is good and will get the job done for online video calls on Zoom, Google Meet or something like that. Nowadays, we are attending a lot of online calls, and for that, the webcam will get the job done. This gets me to the price of this laptop. The Lenovo Yoga 7i Slim Carbon will cost you 1,30,000 rupees. It is on the expensive side, I'm not going to deny that. It is an expensive laptop, but it is giving you that premium experience, especially with the Intel Evo platform and the 11th generation Core i7 processor along with the Iris Xe graphics. It's a very good combination and you can definitely check out this laptop if you're looking for a thin and lightweight powerful machine. I will make sure to drop a link to it in the description box below. So anyway, this was the Lenovo Yoga 7i Slim Carbon. Do let me know how you feel about this video in the comment section down below. If you like this content, go and hit that like button, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. It would mean the world to me. My name is Harsh Punjabi and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.